Welcome to the Ranking Factory software setup, and we're starting off in Toolbox. Come across to HTML Creator because we're still adding our cloud storage. By default it starts off in Cloud Stacker, then we come down and click on Cloud Accounts. And this tutorial is for Alibaba accounts. So we go to Browser and type in Alibaba Cloud. Okay, so we've got Alibaba Cloud, and then here's a free trial. And we're going to create a free account. You select the country you're in, the email address you wish to use, and you're going to hereby agree. It's a good idea to read all these first. And click on confirm and click on confirm. And a verification, you can use phone verification or send an email to the email address you selected. So I'm going to send, and I'll go and check my email for the verification. So here's the email verification. You just copy this code and take it back to Alibaba and paste it into the verification box. Copy the number and paste it in here. So here we are in Alibaba Cloud Storage. And you want to fill in all of these details here. And I'm going to pause the recording until I do that. Be patient with this process. I kept getting an error message when I entered the verification codes, and finally I went and checked my email and I found a congratulations, you've been approved message. You know, if you have any issues with getting your phone number verified, try a different browser, close the browser tab, clear cache and cookies, and try again. But just be patient, it's worth it. Okay, that was an adventure, and it reads here, just one more step to get started on Alibaba Cloud, add billing address and payment method. So I will pause while I fill this in. Well, that was quite an adventure. You need to have patience. It offered to allow me to sign up using PayPal. However, when I went to PayPal, it would only give me the option of using my bank on file, so don't bother with PayPal unless you want to use your bank on file. So here we are now finally in the Alibaba Cloud free trial dashboard. So we're going to come up to the menu bar across the top and mouse over products, and we come down the vertical menu on the left and click on storage and CDN, and then slide across and select object storage service. Okay, you're going to click on Buy Now. You aren't actually buying anything, but click on Buy Now and click on Agree and Enable Now. It's Object Storage Service. Enable Now. So now click on the blue button and continue to the console. Okay, and when you come here for the first time, you're going to see some intro slides. You can skip the intro if you wish. And we're going to come here on the left-hand side and click on Object Storage Service. And click on Create a Bucket. There's a button over on the left and a button over on the right. It's same thing, so it doesn't matter which one you click. So the name you give this bucket does have SEO significance, so you want to name it something according to your project. And for the region, you want to come down and select US East Virginia, standard storage. And then on the bottom, you want to click on public read. So this is so Google can come and crawl it and see what's up. And keep the change and select OK. Okay, and if you come over to the left-hand column here, you see your object storage, the bucket, and here's your bucket name. Click on the bucket name. Okay, now you come up to the little avatar on the upper right, and in the drop-down window, come and click on Access Key and click on Continue to Manage Access Key. Here's a little weeny button that is really hard to see. You click on Create Access Key. Okay, and this wants me to download the access key. And once I've downloaded it, I could click on the little drop-down arrow, and here are the access keys. The screen you see may be different from what you're seeing here on the tutorial. Just make sure you look for the same details, not necessarily what something looks like. So I'm copying the access key ID, open Ranking Factory Revolution software, and I'm pasting the access key ID in the first field. Go back to the access secret, click copy, paste in the access key secret, and give it a profile name. Okay, the name is significant only for you. Once that's all being added, click on Add Alibaba Account. Here it is all set up, and that wraps up this tutorial.